What's up, traders? Welcome to another educational video from Global FX Education. Today we will be speaking about gold, about the commodity gold, and what we should expect within the next few weeks, the next couple of days, and the coming weeks ahead for this commodity. Now, before we start, I would like to extend my welcome to everybody, and I hope that you guys enjoy this video because I hope that it is educational and it is quite enlightening to you guys so that you guys can understand how the market works better. Now, if we start our analysis, we're always going to start from a monthly time frame analysis because this is the direction of the market. When we start from a directional point of view, we're always going to start from a monthly, weekly, and daily point of view time frame because this will give us a general idea of where the market is going, and then it is quite easy for us to actually look for an entry on the 4 hour or 3 hour, 2 hour, 1 hour time frames. Now, looking at the monthly time frame, I would like to show you guys that the market has already rejected this strong area of previous resistance over here. We have a nice strong area of previous resistance and previous support over here, and we had found support on this area as well. So we expected the market to make this move to the upside, which is definitely expected. Now, looking at this type of pattern from a pattern point of view, if you look at it from a pattern point of view on the monthly time frame, it is quite obvious that the market has already created this nice M formation on the monthly time frame. And normally from an M formation point of view, when the market will create an M formation, the market will need to come up again to retest this area over here, the neckline of this M formation. And that is exactly where the market is structured right at this moment. So from a monthly point of view, what we would like to see from this commodity is we would like to see a correction to the downside in order for the market to actually grab some liquidity. What I mean by that is simply we need to see the market come down first before it can actually start to make a bigger push to the upside. Okay, let's go down on the weekly time frame and I'll show you guys exactly what I mean on the weekly time frame. It is much clearer on the weekly time frame that you can see the market has already reached a nice strong previous support area, now turned resistance area, and we expect the market to come down first for a correction. Now, if you look at the weekly time frame, it is quite clear as well that the market has already created a very nice pattern as well. From a pattern point of view and a pattern perspective, the market has created this nice W formation. And excuse me, after a W formation, what do we expect from a W formation? It is quite simple. It is the same thing as an M formation, except we expect the market to come and retest the neckline of this W formation before there is actually any sort of bigger push to the upside. Okay, so if we look at it from a weekly time frame, we can see that the market has a very nice neckline around this area, and we would like to see the market making a correction to this area first. Now, this is where it becomes very interesting because if the market has an M formation on the monthly and a W formation on the weekly, then it is contradicting itself. But this is where we can look for an opportunity from both ways, from a selling point of view and also from a buying point of view. Okay. So what we would like to see is we would like to see the market at least coming down to reach this area over here. Once the market has reached here, then we would looking for a buy opportunity and a better, bigger buy opportunity. As we know from a monthly point of view, that the market actually has already retested quite a very strong area of previous supply and demand areas on the monthly time frame. So going down on the daily time frame, let's have a look at the daily time frame, what kind of price action the market has given us. On the daily time frame, it is quite clear and simple that the market created this very nice W formation down here, double bottom down here, and then we had this nice push over here, testing this previous resistance as well. As you can see, look here, you can see the market had retested this area as well, as previous resistance now turned support, and we had a nice push of that area as well. Now, looking at the daily time frame, it is quite simple that the market needs to make excuse me, needs to make a correction in order for it to actually start a bigger push to the upside. So what I'm suggesting to you guys is looking for a long-term buy in this area over here, okay? And we're looking for a short-term sell from this area to the buy area, okay? Easy. Now we go down to a 4-hour time frame and 4-hour time frame, and we look at the price action at the moment that we have. If you look at the price action at the moment, there is nothing bearish about gold at the moment. There is nothing that will let you know that you can sell this pair, because there is no confirmation for a sell yet. But if the market will remain like this, then the market can easily continue to the upside. But if in this area there is some sort of confirmation that the market is going to make a move to the downside to complete that, the weekly and the weekly W formation and the monthly M formation, then we will be looking for a short-term sell. After a short-term sell, then we will be looking for a bigger buy opportunity. So in this area, you'll be monitoring the price and looking at the price action itself to see whether that the market is actually going to make a bigger move to the downside. At the moment, on no time frames, does it say that the market is going to make this move to the downside. So monitor this area. If the market gives you a confirmation that it's going to make a move to the downside for the correction of the W formation on the weekly time frame, then you can be looking for a short-term sell with a good risk reward opportunity. And once the market will reach into our buy area, then we will be looking for a long-term buy in order to take this commodity to the upside and much higher than what it is. So I hope that this video was educational for you, and I hope that it helps you within the next couple of days and the next couple of weeks in order for you to understand that where the market is actually going. Don't forget to hit the like button and also make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I will see you guys in the next video. If you have any questions, leave your questions below, or you can personal message me. No problem. I will explain to you guys through the comments. Comments always help the community to grow. So we appreciate your comments and your likes and subscribes. Thank you very much, and happy Ramadan to you all.